Hello friends, in this video we are discussing the Excel features about protect worksheet, unprotect the sheet, cell protection and how to hide the formula, that is formula hidden. When you click on a particular cursor and just right click on it, just click format cell button and go to the protection here. Here you will find locked as well as the hidden. By default, for any cell, if you right click here on a format cell and you click on a protection, by default every cell is locked and here hidden is unlocked. So by default in Excel every cell is locked and formula hidden is unlocked. Suppose I want to protect this sheet. Here you will see that I can edit anything in any column. But as and when I click on my sheet name, right click here and I click on the protect sheet, it will ask me the password to unprotect sheet. So I just write here password. It will again ask me to re-enter the password. So I again re-enter my password and press OK. Now my sheet is protect. Now I cannot write anything in any of the cell. So all my sheet is protected. So I cannot write it only until I unprotect the sheet. Now I unprotect the sheet. So I just right click on my sheet name and click on the unprotect sheet. It will ask me the password to unprotect the sheet. So I write password and press OK. Now I put my cursor here. Now you can write anything in your this sheet. Now suppose if you want that only in this cell I can write and all other cell are protected. So I want that only this cell I can write and all other item in the sheet are protected. Then I just on the right click here, click on the format cell. Here there is a lock. So I will unlock this and press OK. Now I again go to the sheet name, right click here. I will go to protect sheet, write the password, confirm the password. Now you can see that I cannot write anything in this cell, but I can write here because this is unprotected cell, this is unlocked cell. By default every cell is locked, but this is unlocked cell. So I can write here, but I cannot write anything else. But here you will see that you can see the formula. Suppose if you don't want to show your formula, in every cell you can see that there is a formula. If you don't want to show the formula to the other, then you can do also this. So first of all I unprotect my sheet. So my sheet is now unprotected. I can write anything. Now here you will find that formula. So I will select the data in my form, that is in my sheet, and I just right click here, click on the format cell. Here I will click on the hidden. So I will check here hidden as a yes and press OK. Now I will go to the protect sheet. I will write the password, re-enter the password. Now I cannot write anything in any of the cell unless this cell, because this cell I have unlocked. So I can write only in this cell. I cannot write in any cell. Here you cannot write because it is protected. Now here you see that I cannot see the formula. Before hiding the formula I can see the formula, but now I cannot see the formula. Here you also cannot see the formula. So in this way you can use the function for protect sheet, unprotect sheet, cell protection as well as the formula hidden in your Microsoft Excel. Thank you.